Namaste friends, welcome back to Ganway channel. Today we have come up with a new video for Tarson's IPO. So this is a completely labware company. Will analyze complete details along with strengths and weaknesses, or we should go for it or not. Please watch till end. This video is as a part of our research and analysis, doesn't mean any recommendation. Tarson's company was started by Sanjeev Saigal in Kolkata in 1983. They are into life science businesses. Their products help in scientific discovery most of the time. So they are called as labware. So they provide the products to hospitals, laboratories and research institutes. Currently they have 5 manufacturing plants in West Bengal. In India they have 141 distributors and they export their products to 40 countries approximately. Tarson's business is widespread all across the India, also internationally. So they are into the mostly the plasticware, which helps in the research and pharmaceutical companies. Their products are like pipette tips, petri dish, centrifuge tubes, cryovials, transfer pipettes, then bottles, carboys, measuring cylinders, desiccators, mini coolers, cryobox, beakers, test tubes, hot plates. All these instruments or the products are used in the research laboratories and institutes. They have good business coverage across pan India with 141 distributors and 40 countries involved in export business. So you can see what is the diagram given in their RHP. If we see the financials of this company, their profit has grown consistently in last 3 years, even during COVID-19 crisis. So if you have seen their net profit has grown from 389 million rupees till 688 millions approximately. If we talk about before, as per them, they had the growth close to 18% per annum for last 5 to 10 years. If we talk about strengths of this company, they are leading life science supplier in India with pan India distribution channel. They have strong brand value in market. They are known for high quality products. They have diverse product range. I think more than 300 products. They are into top 3 Indian players and they have competition with many MNCs. They have long relationships with their customers for long time and they are well equipped with automated facilities for manufacturing. Also, the promoters and management is highly experienced. Sanju Saigal, who built this company from the beginning, is still with the company and working. If you are new to the channel, request you to please subscribe, like, share this video. Also, press the bell icon so you will get notifications of our new videos. Let's talk about few weaknesses of this company or the business. They have tough competition with many MNCs, many global players are there. Most of their materials, close to 75%, are imported from foreign countries, so it has some dependency. One third of their revenue also comes from international business, so that has some dependency on United States and Europe. In case there are some regulatory changes like plastic ban or some environmental issues, then their business could get affected. This company currently focusing on few things how the growth will come in future. One of the thing is that the GDP of India is growing, healthcare expenditure is also on rise, healthcare industry is growing in double digits, in higher double digits we can say. This company is spending good amount on research and development. Going forward also they are targeting good investment in research and development. What are the objectives of this IPO? They want to make their company almost debt free after this IPO. So they have close to 70-80 crores some loan and they want to pay out of this amount. Also they want to fund some amount for their new plant in West Bengal only. Some amount is reserved for general corporate purposes. The IPO details are the total IPO size is 1023 crores approximately. Each share is having the face value of 2 rupees. fresh issue will be only for 150 rupees, and the rest almost 873-74 crores are going into OFS to current promoters and investors. It will be listed both on NSE and BSE. Why should I apply? In case you have short-term goal, you should check for grey market premium. Currently, you are seeing close to 140-150 rupees grey market premium, and this could get changed till it gets listed. In case you have other view about the long-term objectives, you can think that the world is slowly moving from glassware to plasticware, so more uses of plasticware. So this company has dominance in that. Also, the hospital industry is growing, pharma and biotech industry is on growth in India. There is digital healthcare and telemedicine initiatives in India. Medical tourism is also increasing, medical devices and technology. These things are expecting some lower double digit to higher double digit growth in next 5 to 10 years in India. So this company may take advantage of that one, and you may want to invest in that direction. Other key details of this IPO is this will be from 15th of November till 17th of November. Issue price will be from 635 to 662. Each lot will have 22 shares. You can buy minimum one lot of 14,564 rupees and maximum 13 lots in retail category. Allotment is expected on 23rd of November. If not, refund should initiate on 24th of November. 25th of November, demat credit is expected and listing is expected on 26th of November. This may get changed little bit. Whether you get the allotment or not, as a good investor, you should watch for performance of this company. You should watch performance of competitors as well. Also, there is good way to invest in such good companies through mutual funds. There are so many videos on our channel. You can take a look or check the I or the description box down. There are many such videos on our channel on mutual fund stocks, IPO, investments, tax and insurance also. So please subscribe, like, share, press bell icon so you will get notifications for our new videos. If you have any questions, any suggestions, or you want to have some videos on some another investment topics, please let us know in the comment box so that we'll try to make new videos on that topics. Till then, happy investing. Thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.